beautiful. Ain't America beautiful? That lady in the harbor with her torch held high, the Mississippi River, that North Carolina sky. Ain't America beautiful? This place that we call home. Give us your time, your boy, your yearning to be free forevermore. Ain't America beautiful? Ain't America beautiful? Ain't America beautiful, folks? What a great day to be here. It is, isn't it? This next song, here for him, Combat Infantry badge right on the top of that hat right there. This next song is called I'm Proud to Be
and President of the Vietnam Veterans Memorial Fund. Welcome everyone to the Memorial Day observance to honor those who gave their lives for our country. We have this event every year in partnership with the National Park Service, and I'd just like to say thank you to them for all they do. I want to say thank you to the Massachusetts Vigil Society. They provide all these flags on the East Knoll over there every year. It's very patriotic, and red, white, and blue, and we're all patriotic too. I know that many of you were here on Saturday for the reading of the names. We read the names of nearly 7,000 Americans who've given their lives in the post 9/11 wars. It was a very sad day. It was a very healing day, and there are so many of these families who came here to be a part of this. It was very inspiring as well. I want to thank again Secretary Hagel.
This concludes our ceremony. Thank you so much for coming.
There's always something. Yeah, sure. Take care of that. Unless you're real concerned that you don't
No, she got
this way. Yes, I see 28. 28. I think I'm right in here.
Come out. All right, let's get on the bus.
Good? All right.
This guy. Hold on. It's a long walk home, so let's go.
We're gonna walk. We're gonna walk together here. We're kind of
Where are we going?
walk and see where their bikes are.
Yeah, we'll be there.
I know. You enjoyed doing it.
Listen,
We know him. We know him.
the lady that was just
Harry.
here.